Your Cadillac lets you listen to important messages and respond with a preset reply through the Cadillac Q radio. Be sure to only text and drive with the voice system and never text using a handheld while driving. To set up text messaging, select the phone menu and then tap Pair Device. Android, BlackBerry, and Windows phones give you a pop-up window asking if you want to allow access to your contacts and phone log. Then tap Allow. For iPhone, complete the Bluetooth pairing and then go to Settings and then Bluetooth and select the vehicle. Then tap to turn on Show Notifications. Finally, you'll need to turn on notifications when your iPhone is locked. To do that, go back to Settings, tap Notifications, then Messages, and then tap to turn on Show on Lock Screen. When a message is received, an alert appears at the bottom of the screen. If Display Alerts is turned on, a pop-up screen displays message options that include Listen, View, or Dismiss. Tap the message you want to view or listen to. If you want to reply, Apple recommends using Siri Pass-Through. Use a long press on the Push-to-Talk button. Wait for the beep, and you can say your response. You can turn Display Alerts on or off by going to Settings and tapping Bluetooth. Then tap Text Message Alerts and make your selection.